Hello, I'm Richard with Mister Quik Home Services. I'm a field advisor. We're an Indianapolis, Indiana-based company. Today we're talking about water heaters. Talking about systems here, we got a double system. We're going to talk about shutoffs to the systems. Every house should have a shutoff to every fixture, faucets, softeners, the main valve to your house, washing machines. Basically anything that has water running to it by code should have a shutoff, which these units do, but it's always very important to go to the unit to test to make sure that they work. As you can see, this one did work. That's good. This is a ball valve. Gate valves are okay, but new ball valves are the way to go just because of simplicity. It's literally just, you turn it and turn it back off. So in line with the pipe, that's on, and it's actually marked on the system. As you can see here, it'll tell you when it's on and it'll tell you when it's off. This is the bypass for the softener. You always want to make sure this middle one is closed. These two are up, that way it does go through the softener and go out, but if you open this valve, it's going to bypass that softener. You're not going to get soft water. So same thing, you always want to test these valves. You see, that's why a ball valve is so nice. It works very, very well. Shutoffs are very important. Again, it's code that every fixture should have shutoffs. As you can see, this homeowner has marked his outside spigots. It's winter time right now. Wintertime, hose spigots need to be shut off, which he has them shut off. So we're not going to test this one because I don't want to put any water to the system, but it's very important in the wintertime to shut your valve off to your hose spigots. That keeps them from freezing and bursting. Top problems that occur with water shutoffs, especially gate valves, they actually have a seal on the bottom of them. It's just a little rubber washer. And what happens is, Indiana being #1 in the nation for hard water, those seals get so corroded from all the calcium and the lime and the magnesium that they won't turn off or on. They actually seize, break, then you're out of luck. On a ball valve, same thing. That's why it's always good to practice come down here and shutting them off to keep it free and break up any of that buildup that's on there, because these are going in before the softener. These ones that are going out, so these ones aren't gonna seize up like the ones before the softener. So again, always test your ball valves, because that calcium and lime is the #1 thing that's gonna destroy your shutoffs throughout your home. If you cannot get your shutoff on or off, and if it is turning off like this one is, but not shutting down the house, then you need to replace your ball valve or gate valve at that time. If you can't get the gate valve to turn off, same thing, it needs to be replaced. Because if you ever run into a situation where the water heater is leaking or you got a main water leak, you gotta have somewhere to shut that source off. Another Mister Quik Standard here, which is very important, back to what I said being on the membership, and Indiana being #1 in the nation for hard water. So if you don't like softeners, don't have a softener, with our water heater installs, we take these out. These are just little gate valves. They have a little rubber wash on there and they barely spit any water out. We actually put a full port, 3/4 turn drain valve on there to get all that gunk out of there, and that opening is like, compared to this one, is like a pinky. Ours is almost 3/4 opening.